As far as the countdown that has begun for the return of the suspended JDS MP Prajwal Revanna back home, the news seems to be tightening once again on him. His father and the JDS MLA H.D. Revanna and H.D. Revanna's wife Bhavani, when it comes to the special investigation team probing the allegations of sexual abuse, has sought the cancellation of bail granted H.D. Revanna in the sexual assault case. Remember, when it comes to Revanna, who held the Mysuru case, kidnapping case, he's been held in that and he's currently is out of jail on conditional bail. Meanwhile, Bhavani Prajwal Revanna's mother has applied for anticipatory bail, fearing her arrest in the same case. It's been over a month after he flew out of the country. Prajwal finally reacted on those alleged sexual assault charges against him. While Prajwal said that he would be appearing before the SIT on the 31st of May at 10 a.m., the state and the central governments were involved in a war of words over bringing the suspended JDS MP back to India to face law. Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwara said that if Prajwal does not show up on the date he's claiming, then the law will take its own course.
Yes, I also saw the video. And he has said that he will appear before the SIT at 10 o'clock in the morning, 31st. Surrender means, because there is already a blue corner notice, there is already 41A where he has to appear before the SIT. All these notices have been given. And charge sheet on so many things will be done later. Now we have to find out the truth. But he said he's coming. I don't know what prompted him to release that video. We'll see what happens on 31st. If it doesn't turn up, then the next procedure will start. SIT is doing their job. And I cannot be telling everything what SIT is doing to the media.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile?
It's antibacterial.
Scratch resistant also.
But plates?
Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।